Leonardo da Vinci, the Renaissance polymath. Leonardo da Vinci, one of the most remarkable individuals in human history, was born on April 15, 1452, in the small Tuscan town of Vinci, Italy. He was the illegitimate son of Ser Piero da Vinci, a prominent Florentine notary, and Caterina, a peasant woman. Leonardo spent his early years in Vinci, where he showed a remarkable talent for observation and a keen interest in the natural world. His father recognized his artistic talents early on and apprenticed him at the age of 14 to Andrea del Verrocchio, one of the leading artists in Florence. Under Verrocchio's guidance, Leonardo learned the techniques of painting, sculpture, and drawing. He also received an education in mathematics, engineering, and anatomy, laying the groundwork for his future scientific studies. Leonardo's artistic career began in Florence, where he quickly gained recognition for his talent and innovation. One of his earliest works was The Baptism of Christ, a collaboration with Verrocchio in which he painted one of the angels. In 1472, Leonardo joined the Guild of St. Luke, indicating his status as a master artist. Over the next 2 decades, he would create some of the most famous works of the Renaissance, including The Last Supper and Mona Lisa. But Leonardo's interests extended far beyond the world of art. He was also a scientist, engineer, and inventor. He filled countless notebooks with detailed sketches and observations on subjects ranging from anatomy to astronomy, from mathematics to mechanics. Leonardo's studies of anatomy were particularly groundbreaking. He performed dissections on human cadavers, creating detailed drawings of the muscles, bones, and organs of the human body. His anatomical studies were far ahead of their time and remain some of the most accurate ever created. Leonardo was also a prolific inventor. He designed flying machines, including a prototype for the modern helicopter, as well as parachutes, gliders, and ornithopters. He also designed tanks, submarines, and even a mechanical knight that could move its arms and legs. In the field of engineering, Leonardo's designs were far ahead of their time. He designed bridges, canals, and fortifications, and his studies of friction and fluid dynamics laid the groundwork for modern engineering principles. Leonardo's curiosity knew no bounds. He was fascinated by the natural world and spent years studying the flight of birds, the movement of water, and the structure of plants. He made detailed observations of geological formations, weather patterns, and the behavior of animals. One of Leonardo's most famous scientific observations was his study of the movement of water. He was the first to recognize the principle of laminar flow and made detailed sketches of water currents, whirlpools, and eddies. Leonardo da Vinci died on May 2, 1519, in Amboise, France, at the age of 67. He left behind a legacy that continues to inspire and amaze us to this day. His paintings are some of the most famous and valuable in the world, and his scientific and engineering achievements laid the groundwork for many of the technological advances of the modern world. Leonardo's belief that art and science were 2 sides of the same coin continues to influence thinkers and innovators in fields as diverse as art, engineering, and philosophy. He saw beauty in the symmetry of a flower, the rhythm of a river, and the proportions of the human body. And he believed that by studying the natural world, he could unlock the secrets of the universe. As we look back on the life of Leonardo da Vinci, we are reminded of the boundless potential of the human mind and the endless possibilities that lie at the intersection of art and science.